Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your saved data on Nintendo Switch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home page of the Switch, open up System Settings. Scroll down the left sidebar menu and open Data Management. Then scroll down the right sidebar menu and select Delete Saved Data. Now choose the game that you would like to delete the saved data for and open it. You now have the option to delete the saved data for just one account or for all accounts. To delete the game data for just one account, select that account at the top. To delete the data for all accounts, select Delete All Saved Data for this software. Then select Delete Saved Data. Tap OK. Your saved data for that game has now been deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nintendo Switch tips and tricks.